Hi guys, Perry here. In a previous video, some viewers requested that we make solutions for Waterloo's Pascal, Cayley, and Fermat contest since the official ones aren't out yet. Today, I'll be solving the Pascal problems live for the very first time and explaining the solutions as we go along. Note that this video was recorded continuously in one take, but I've decided to split it into 3 sections for parts A, B, and C. Without further ado, let's get into part A. Hello everyone. Today I'll be doing the 2025 Pascal contest. Earlier this year I wrote the Fermat, but this is the first time that I've ever seen the Pascal contest. I'll be doing these problems from scratch and try to explain them in an understandable and easy way. I hope you guys enjoy! Alright, so let's dive into part A. We have the first question asks, what is the value of 2 times 0 plus 2 times 5? We can calculate this to be 0 plus 10, which is 10. So the answer is C. Moving on to question 2. We have the numbers -4, -2, -3.5, -2.5, and 6 on the number line. We're asking how many of them are left of -3. So one number is less than the other when it is on the left of it. So if you have two numbers, A to the left of B, then A is less than B. So we're looking for the number of numbers that are less than -3. We have -4, -3.5, and -2, -2.5, and +6 are all greater than 3. So therefore, this gives two numbers, so the answer here is B. Moving on, for question 3, we have 18 plus 18 plus 18 is equal to 3x. You can see that on the left-hand side we have 3 18s, on the right-hand side we have 3 x's, so 3x equals 3 times 18, so x equals 18. D. Question 4 asks us how many multiples of 5 there are between 8 and 58. Between 8 and 58, the multiples of 5 are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these. For question 5, we have Cynthia graphing a sequence of points. She graphs these points in a line, going 1 unit to the right and 2 units up after each previous point. So we have -3, 0, -2, 2, -1, 4. The next point is going to be -1 plus 1. Whoops, did not mean to write a comma. -1 plus 1, 4 plus 2, which is going to be 0, 6. So the answer here is E. In question 6, we have 4 cubed equals 8 to the A. We have 8a is equal to 4 cubed. 4 cubed is equal to 64, which is equal to 8 squared, so a is equal to 2. For question 7, we have a survey of students at Pascal Secondary School about puzzles, and we have a chart with their responses. Let me just copy the chart here. Grade 8, grade 9, like, don't. We know that here we have 68, here we have 92. Now, on top of that, the totals here are 125 and 140. Since the total in this column over here is 140, this one's going to be 140 minus 92, which is going to be equal to 48. we want the number of grade 9 students, so we add across this row to get that there are 116 grade 9 students. This is answer choice C. In question 8, Rachel, Christoph, and Alfonso are paid to organize books. They're paid $50 in total. Alfonso's paid $14, and Rachel is paid twice what Christoph is paid. So let's let the value Christoph be paid is C. Then Rachel gets 2C, and Alfonso gets 14. In total, they get 50, so we have that 3C plus 14 is 50. 3C is equal to 36, so Christoph is paid $12. This is answer choice B. For question 9, we have that 6x plus 3 is equal to y, and x is a positive integer. So what is the possible value of y? Well, this is equal to 3 times 2x plus 1, and we know that 2x plus 1 is just an odd integer. Therefore, y should be 3 times an odd integer, or an odd multiple of 3. Looking at the answer choices, we see that 45 is equal to 3 times 15, where x equals 7 satisfies the equation, so the answer is D. For question 10, we have a small square inside a larger square. I'll draw it over here. And this area outside is shaded. Now, the area of the shaded region and the area of the unshaded region are each 18. So this is 18, and this is also 18. Therefore, total area is going to be equal to 18 plus 18, which is 36 centimeters squared. It wants the side length of the large square. This is going to be root 36, which is equal to 6 centimeters. So the answer is C. Alright, that's it for part A. I'll be uploading the next part of the Pascal solve soon, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on how I do in the end. See you guys soon!